guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you are so much welcome. Thank you so much for keeping it up here with Alice Amy. So if you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, leave a comment and tell me where are you watching from. Yes, and to my returning subscribers, it's because of you that we are here. It's because of you that tumefika mali tumefika when it comes to my channel. Thank you so much, and please keep it up, share with someone that amazing content that you love to watch here, and tell me what do you love on this channel, and what you want is what I will be able to deliver. Leave a comment and tell me what do you want me to bring on this channel, which kind of content do you enjoy watching. Yes, what you want is what I'm going to give you guys. Yeah, so let me go straight to this channel, to this video. Sorry. So this video it's all about it's all about motivation. It's all about motivation, like motivation. Yeah, so recently I was able to monetize my channel, and someone asked me on IG how long did it take me to monetize my channel. Well, let me tell you guys, there are so many videos. When you go to YouTube, you're going to see monetize your channel, how to monetize your channel within 4 days, within less than a month, within, like, I'm talking about before applying, before you getting a message that you know what, you can now apply for YouTube pattern program. Yes, so personally, my experience on YouTube, I won't say it has been bad and good at the same time. I'm going to point out a few points, and maybe to someone who is starting a channel. Let me tell you guys, by the way, I love inspiring someone, beginners, because I have been there. Where you are right now is where I have been before. So I know the struggles. I know what it means to upload a video and you take 2-3 hours with no view. I know what it means to upload a video and manze, you expect people to subscribe, they don't subscribe. So I have been there. So that is why I feel it's right for me to share this information. In fact, that I want to keep you, like, to encourage you, like, not to give up, because you're going to reach a point and you feel, manze, things are not working to your expectation, and you want to give up, and you're like, man, this is not for me. Before I began, not before, after beginning my channel, the first few months, it was very hard. Nikuwa kama zileza, will I manage? To some point, I felt YouTube is for people who are known. To some point, I felt YouTube is for celebrities, because, you know, a celebrity, even if they put up something that is not relevant to, like, it's just even, it doesn't make even sense, they will still get views, they'll get subscribers. Because why? People are always looking up to them. People are always looking to know what is happening to this person, like what is going on in his or her life. But now me, who knows me? Who wants to know about me? Anyway, do not give up, because you can start small. For as long as you're putting out content out there, and for as long as you're not only putting out content, but putting up content that will be in the interest of people to watch your videos. Let me tell you, Maina, your content will be pushed by YouTube. Yes, it will be pushed by YouTube. Yes, so personally, it has taken me almost like 3 years to now get an email from YouTube asking me to monetize my channel. And 3 years, why 3 years? Why that long? Because one, I was not consistent. Not because I didn't know that, man, if you're consistent, things work out so fast. No, I knew consistency is the key. to the growth of my channel. But the fact that, man, I have work and then I have a baby, like I have to balance work, baby, work, home, and then the YouTube. It was very, 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 very hard for me. So it has taken me almost 3 years to monetize my channel. But I'm not saying it will take you 3 years to monetize your channel. You might be lucky, and maybe in that 1 month, in the 2 months of you doing content, you're monetized. You've reached the requirements. You've reached 4,000 watch hours or 3,000 watch hours. You've reached 500 subscribers. Like, you've uploaded at least 3 videos in the last 1 month. Yeah, but it depends. Personally, it has taken me that long, but it doesn't mean that it will take you long. For as long as, one, you're being consistent, that is the key. Number 2, you're trying to put out content that is in the interest of people. Try to know your audience, try to know what they love, try to know what they want to watch. Like, when you put up videos out there, you depending on the traffic or you're getting on your channel, it will give you a hit, or you will be able to know that if I do a cooking video, I get more people to view such videos. If I put up vlogs, like a day in my life, people love such content. If I do an education channel teaching someone to do something, they love that content. Let me tell you, if you get to know, you discover your audience, what they want and what they prefer watching on your channel, it will be easy for you to hit the requirements. And why not? I can't wait to congratulate you and say congrats, you made it, just like I have made it. Yeah, so that was it for this video. I hope you've learned something out of this video. I've spoken a lot in 6 minutes, but I'm pretty sure that out of what I've spoken, you have learned something. And I normally tell people, I love it when this kind of content is reaching out to someone who hasn't yet been monetized. I'm interested in you. Like, I want to grow your channel with you. Like, I want to see you reach there, like just like the way I have reached there. So just keep up with Alice Amy, and I hope to give you more content. Feel free to ask me anything in the comment section. Feel free to ask me a question. My IG is Alice_Amy_. Until again, bye bye.